If you clicked on this video, that means you are so lucky. I'm not promising you guys anything. No. I'm not promising you guys anything. But in this video, I'm going to be giving you guys guidelines on how to learn forex trading from YouTube. Because most of you guys have been following me up on this channel. You know that I learned forex trading from YouTube. I'm not going to lie for you guys. I didn't have any mentor. Not because I don't want to pay for mentor, because I didn't have money to pay for mentorship, bro. Like, even for me to fund my account, my trading account, then was, I know how I struggled to do that. I would have loved to have a mentor, because it would have cut the journey short for me. But because things were really hard for me, even to fund my $10 account, I know how hard it was for me. So that's the reason why I didn't have a mentor. But if you fall in the category of people who have supporter and you have funds to pay for mentorship, bro, pay for mentorship. Don't listen to those that will tell you that mentorship is a scam, bro. Pay for mentorship. It will cut you a whole lot of stress. Now, in today's video, let's assume that everybody watching this video can afford a mentorship. I'm going to be giving you guys the exact step which I took. And this particular step that I took, I'm going to be sharing with you guys in this video, made me learn forex trading from scratch, all from YouTube, like free resources from YouTube. Now, I know you're excited, because you'll be like, bro, like, this is gonna be realistic, because we know this guy, we know everything about him. If you're following me on this channel, you know, I document my journey here, starting from the day one. Now, he wants to share his secret with us, bro. Like, God bless you. Wait. Before you start watching this video, ask yourself, do I truly want to learn forex trading, or am I just catching cruise? Now, let's assume that everybody watching this video wants to learn forex trading, not catching cruise. Now, for you to learn forex trading, this is the exact step that I took, and I want you to take it. Step number 1, determination. Determination. And what is determination? Determination is, I want to achieve this stuff, and I really want to achieve this stuff with the whole of my heart. That's what determination is. So number 1, you need determination. Number 2, you can't be learning forex trading and you say that you don't have data. That's just an excuse on its own. We're not going to be talking about that one. We're not going to tell you that you want to learn forex trading, but you don't have money for data. Yes. That will be aside. Now let's get straight to business. This is how I do it. When I started forex trading, I went to Jeffrey. I'm not trying to promote anyone here. Like, I'm just trying to tell you guys the story of how everything started. I went to Jeffrey Benson's YouTube channel. I said, like, I scrolled through his videos. I played one of his videos, and I was seeing charts pattern, like stuff like moving averages. I would be like, bro, what is this? I'm not sure. I can't do this. Like, who you tell me how this stuff works, bro? I deleted I went off. I went off. I stopped searching about anything about forex. That's why I told you that you need determination if you want to learn forex trading from YouTube. Now, I said to myself again, when will I stop running? I should just go and face my fears, one, bro. Like, bro, you know that you came from a poor family. Like, why are you still running, bro? That's why I told myself, say, okay, I'm going to get to this. Mind you guys, I've downloaded TradingView for TradingView and MetaTrader 5 for like three times, and I deleted it because everything was confusing. Now I downloaded my TradingView back. I'll be like, bro, these people that are trading forex, Jeffrey Benson, Happy Forex, mention them. They don't have 2 heads, they only have 1 head, so I can do this. And this is where determination played a very vital role in my journey. Now I say, okay, since I don't know, I'm trying to give you guys steps, so be mindful. And I told myself, okay, since I don't know anything about the market, like downtrend, uptrend, bro. See, downtrend and like market trend dealt with me seriously when I started learning it, bro. I was okay. Today, I'm going to be learning everything about trend. You get the point? So whenever I come to YouTube, I search market trend, and I'll a whole lot of videos, bro. A whole lot of videos, and I'll pick the ones that resonate with me, like the ones that can explain it well in the way I can understand. So I pick the ones, and I start studying. I was okay. This trend is confusing. Like we're having bullish trend, bearish trend, consolidating, like choppy, all this stuff. They were confusing. I'll say, okay, you know what, we're gonna be going one after the other. And so okay, today we're gonna go in with bullish trend. Tomorrow we go with bearish trend. So this was how I was able to doing it. This was how I was doing it until I learned everything about market trend. You understand? Even though I was still having some glitches, but at least I've known what a market trend is. Now I say okay, I've learned market trend. Now it's time for me to learn the basic market structure, like higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, change of character, break of structure, all those. I'll say okay, if I should learn all these things once, if I should learn market structure, break of structure, change of character at once, it's gonna affect me psychologically. Okay, now let me follow the same procedure I followed before. I was okay, today I'm going to be learning everything about break of structure, principles guiding break of structure. That's BOS. I said okay, okay. Today I'm going to be learning change of character, church, because I had change of character. I still had MSS, but according to my research, I found out, like, I learned that change of character, like church and MSS, still the same thing. I said okay, today I will learn break of structure. Tomorrow I will learn change of character. Like, this stuff took me like 1 week, and I started grabbing the concept of break of structure and change of character. Now I've learned break of structure and change. Like, are you guys trying to get the process? You don't try to learn everything once. When you're not learning from a mentor, you take it one step at a time, one step at a time, one step at a time. Any stage, okay. And it got to a point I was hearing stuff about PEEP, lot size, leverage, spread, spile, and all those. I'll be like, bro, all this stuff is forex. Are you sure I can do this forex? I told myself, bro, but you have learned downtrend and uptrend. You know that was confusing you right from day one. So you can actually learn spillage and all of those terms. It's okay. Let's use the same procedure. It's okay. Today I'm going to be learning lot size. Even though lot size, I didn't learn lot size as of that time until like a few months after I learned it well. But I gave it a try though. So okay, today I'm going to be learning lot size. Next tomorrow I'm going to be learning PEEP, how to calculate PEEP and what PEEP is all about. And the next day I'm going to be learning spillage. I was learning leverage. So that's how I was doing it. I was taking it one after the other, making sure that every day I'm learning something. So that's how I was able to do it. So to summarize the whole story I'm saying here, what I'm trying to tell you is that if you are learning something, don't try to learn everything at once. Take it one step at a time. If you go on YouTube, search. If you're just a total newbie and you don't have anyone to direct you, YouTube is there for you. Bro, YouTube did it for me, and YouTube can also do it for you. And I won't end this video without saying this stuff. Trust the process and trust God. Pray to God. God, please give me knowledge to learn this. God, you know that I don't have anybody to run to. God, please guide my steps. And I won't also end this video without saying you need an AI assistant. You can ChatGPT. Like, I actually use ChatGPT. ChatGPT is there to help you. Like, if you have a small issue, be like, ChatGPT. You can use your voice record as I'm saying now. You'll be like, ChatGPT, like, I've been trying to understand what lot size is. Can you please make it clearer to me? I'm confused in this area. Explain it in a beginner friendly way so that I can understand what lot size is. Please put the please ChatGPT, because you don't know it. And then ChatGPT will start, okay, Goku's FX, I know that you're eager to learn and stuff like that, blah blah blah, and you start explaining. I will start reading it. Okay. I say, okay, that's true. So that's exactly how. I know this video is getting long and it's somewhat dramatic. I'm just trying to express myself so that as much as possible, so that you guys will understand what I'm heading to. And that's just it. That's just the simplest way to learn forex from YouTube. And if this video was insightful, please do work to subscribe. Support my journey. I'm documenting my journey as a trader. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, like the video, drop a comment, and share this video to a friend who wants to start forex trading but doesn't know where to start from. Send the video to them. And also, if you watch to this extent, type Goku's FX in the comment section. I know that it's really a genius. So thanks for watching, and I'm going to catch you guys in the next video. Stay safe and remain blessed. See you, bye, Goku's FX. Peace.